Hey everyone, it's Kira here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the new ice cream melt keyframe. So I preferably like this keyframe effect for outros when you're wanting to go from an image or video to just a blank screen. So how you're going to find it is add effect, scroll to new, and ice cream melt. So the three options are progress, random, and animate. So I'll just quickly show you what the three do. So progress, like the other masking ones, kind of just moves along to the screen from the image to your background. So you can see there is a melt. Now I do have animate added, so we're going to go back to random in a second. That basically moves the melt around to look more like a dripping ice cream melt effect. When it's turned off, it is just still. So depending on what type of edit you want to make, you can change that around. I preferably like animate. It looks a bit more nicer and realistic. Now what random does just randomizes the melt. Changes direction, different options. So there are plenty you can choose from. So depending on which one you like, you can find your favorite of choice. So what basically you can do is keyframe this using mid-graph, for example. Or if you don't even want to add a graph, you can keep it simple and just let it pile off the screen. So that is how you use ice cream melt. I hope this was helpful and can't wait to see all your edits using it. Thanks for watching.